In this video, we will teach you how to make or how to create bolts and nuts with Intersect. It's a very good command. We start by drawing a sketch on the front plane. We first need to draw a cylinder that will represent the main part of the bolt. So now we dimension the circle. Okay, you can give whatever dimension you like. It depends on the size of the bolt that you need. Now we will extrude this circle and make it a cylinder. So let's just extrude it. Now we click normal on the surface in order so we can draw another sketch. The sketch will be a polygon that will represent the second part of the body of the bolt. So you just draw a polygon right there, and now we just extrude this polygon. The dimension is given 50, but we will change that because it's too big. It's still kind of big, so let's make it 15. We click OK. So this is the main part, the main body of the bolt. Now we start making our thread. But first we have to make a chamfer, because as you know there is a chamfer at the end of the bolt. Let's just make a chamfer. So that's the main body. Now we click at the hold wizard and we click thread, so it will make a thread on the body of the bolt. So now we specify our thread location. It will be in this part, so starting from the other circle of the body and starting from face 1. Now by increasing this number, we increase the length somehow of the thread. You can specify whatever you want regarding to the size of your bolt, of course. Now we can specify the type of the thread. It can be a metric, it can be inch, whatever you like. So these are all standardized. So this is a very small one. As you can see, it's 2.5. So let's make it bigger. As you can see, you should choose your metric, your type of thread regarding the size of the bolt, or the especially the size of the cylinder. So you just can play with numbers and create your own bolt. Let's decrease the number and then specify a little bit smaller type of thread. It will be metric 10, 1.5, and this is it. So as you can see, now we have a thread on the body. So this is it. In order to create a nut or a screw, now we should create a plane that will be based on the inner part of the body. So that will be okay. And you need to place it there because this is the part where we are placing our nut, and now we just create a polygon, since you know that the outer part of the body is a polygon. You can make it equal to the part of the bolt. So you see we have a sketch in the middle of the thread. Now we just need to extrude this polygon. Let's make it a little bit smaller. So this is okay. And now, as you can see, we have a bolt in there, but how to make only the bolt? So you must click intersect, and then you must intersect both of the bodies, the bolt and the nut. Oh, we forgot to unmerge results because then we cannot intersect it. So we just need to intersect these bodies. And you just click the parts that you want to be removed. And as you can see, now you have a nut with a very simple command that is intersect. So this is it.